Welcome to this short video on Vendini's recently added interactive reporting features. With Vendini Interactive Reporting, you get in-depth insight into your box office sales to power better decisions. You can easily share data with your organization, understand trends, and really make better fact-based decisions. Let's have a look. As an executive director at a nonprofit theater, I can use Vendini Interactive Reports to steer better performance out of my team. In order to create a report, I'm going to go from Member Home into Create Reports, and I'll do a custom date range. Let's just look at since September 1, select Interactive Receipts Reports, and one click and my report will be generated. From here, I want to be able to just focus on a few select columns, so I'm going to uncheck all and then go back and select just a few fields that I want to see on my report. Once I apply that, you'll see that my report is regenerated. Now, my finance team wants to know how many patrons are paying via credit card. So what I can do is go into the tender column and group by this field, and I can see at a quick glance just how many transactions are occurring on credit card. So this makes it easy for the team to reconcile their books. I can also export the report and send it along to them in either a CSV, an Excel for additional manipulation, or a PDF file. If my artistic director wants to know which shows have brought in the most revenue so far in the last month, what I can do is widen the description field. This will all be saved, by the way, when I save my report. I'm going to group by this field, and I can see that so far the Soskatovich trilogy has brought in the most revenue. My marketing director now wants to know what percentage of sales are coming from online. And so what I can do is actually go into the channel and I can sort by descending, and Ticket Line is my online channel. Of course, Ticket Agent is where in-person sales happen. So I can see that really a very large percentage of sales are happening through Ticket Line. So my marketing director now knows that her online efforts, including a website, Facebook, and search engine marketing, are really working. My marketing director also relies on corporate sponsorships to offset operating expenses, so she wants to be able to see how many print-at-home tickets are actually being sold. This is important because she likes to put the corporate sponsor message on those print-at-home tickets. So if we go into the delivery method and we can sort, we can see that a fair number of tickets are actually being sold via will call, with will call delivery method, while print at home, there's a fair amount of print at home. So what you might want to do is actually eliminate will call and let patrons print at home or receive tickets via USPS so that she can get more of those messages on her tickets. Finally, my donation director recently started something new where he has added a tip jar ability to donate to a fund that was established by the theater. So what he can do is look at donations that have happened as part of the shopping process, where patrons can add on to their tickets and donate to this fund. And he can see it's been fairly effective for a short time being out, and he can also get insight into programming that might be drawing additional tip jar donations. Now, everything I am doing in terms of manipulation can be saved on my report. So I'm going to just call this September, October Receipts. I'm going to save this new report. And then the nice thing is that when I go back into my report's main screen, I will see it here, and I can regenerate it at any time, and I can also manipulate it, save it again, or even save it as something new. This is a quick summary of what you saw in this video. With Vendini Interactive Reports, you can slice and dice sales data and look at data really through a variety of lenses. You can create a report based on any date range you like, select the fields you'd like to display, sort and group by the criteria that you've defined, and of course you can save the report and redisplay it whenever you like. With Vendini Interactive Reports, you are in the driver's seat, so you've got flexibility to do this ad hoc reporting. you're getting insight into many different facets of your business, and you can share it broadly across your organization to make better fact-based decisions.